Imagine a battlefield where AI-powered drones make split-second decisions. Soldiers see enemy movements through augmented reality helmets, and blockchain technology prevents cyber attacks before they even happen. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Welcome to the future of warfare, powered by cutting-edge technology. From AI-driven war drones to three-dimensional printed weapons, technology is redefining modern warfare at an unprecedented pace. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 military technologies shaping the future of global defense. You'll be shocked by some of these developments, so stick around until the end. Number 10. Autonomous drones by Shield AI. AI-driven drones are no longer just surveillance tools, they're becoming decision-makers. Shield AI's VBAT drone can operate autonomously even in GPS-denied environments. Deployed in conflict zones like the Middle East and the Black Sea, these drones provide real-time intelligence without human control. Could this mean AI-controlled warfare is closer than we think? Number 9. Oracle's AI and cloud services for military. Singapore's military is stepping up its game by using Oracle's air-gapped cloud infrastructure for secure AI-powered data analysis. This technology can instantly process surveillance footage, recognize faces, and track enemy vehicles, revolutionizing modern defense strategies. Number 8. AI-powered satellite internet for military operations. Thanks to companies like Starlink, real-time data from satellites is fueling AI-powered military applications. This ensures that combat units remain connected even in the most remote locations, allowing seamless drone control and surveillance operations. Number 7. Joint All-Domain Command and Control, or JDC2. Imagine a military network where land, air, sea, space, and cyber forces all communicate in real time. That's exactly what the U.S. Department of Defense's JDC2 initiative is achieving. Number 6. Internet of Battlefield Things, or IoBT. What if soldiers' helmets, weapons, and vehicles could communicate with each other? That's the vision of IoBT, a network of interconnected military devices providing real-time data on enemy positions, environmental conditions, and troop movements. Number 5. Helmet-mounted displays for soldiers. Soldiers are now getting a video game-like HUD or heads-up display inside their helmets. These displays overlay real-time tactical data, enemy locations, and navigation assistance, giving troops an incredible battlefield advantage. Number 4. 3D printed weapons and equipment. Need a weapon on demand? 3D printing technology is being used to produce battlefield-ready firearms, drones, and medical supplies. This could dramatically reduce costs and revolutionize military logistics. Number 3. Blockchain for secure military communications. Cyber warfare is one of the biggest threats today. To combat this, militaries are adopting blockchain encryption to secure communications, preventing hacks and ensuring that sensitive data remains protected from cyber threats. Number 2. Big data analytics for intelligence gathering. The military is now using AI-powered big data analysis to predict enemy movements, identify threats before they occur, and optimize defense strategies. Immersive training with virtual and augmented reality. Forget traditional military training. Now, soldiers are using VR and AR simulations to practice real-world combat scenarios. These immersive technologies provide hyper-realistic environments for training without the risks of actual combat, preparing troops like never before. These breakthroughs aren't just about making the military more efficient. They're changing the nature of warfare itself. Experts warn that AI-driven combat could reduce human control over critical battlefield decisions, raising serious ethical concerns. Are we heading toward a future where AI decides who lives and who dies? Now I want to hear from you. Which of these technologies excites or terrifies you the most? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more cutting-edge AI and tech news and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.